Once both devices are secure in both feet, you're going to turn to your safety concierge to make sure that you're on the same page before you stand. Once you're both ready to start, remember, the iStride device will roll you backwards. So what you want to do is actually push your weight down into that device so that it doesn't roll as you stand. So push your weight into it. Once the wheels are set back, you're going to go ahead and put the majority of your weight on your affected side with the help of your safety concierge to stand. You should count to 3. On 3, you'll stand together. 1, 2, 3. Before you start walking, make sure your safety concierge is with you and ready to start. As you're approaching the chair at the end of your treatment session, the safety concierge should be on your affected side. So as you're approaching it, you're going to step close to the chair, use the safety concierge for stabilization and support if you need to. What you're going to do is lift the device side, plant the weight on your affected side, take 1, 2 steps back, and what you'll do is you'll feel the chair with the back of your legs. If you don't feel the chair with the back of your legs, have the safety concierge safely guide you to make sure you're in the right position before you go ahead and sit. Once you do feel the chair, reach back, reach for the arms, and safely sit down.